Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to use this Amplim or Ampmed Digital Thermometer. First things first, I'm just showing you how to put the batteries in because it's not always confusing because you have springs at the bottom. But basically on this side, the side where the hinge is, you want to have the flat side of the battery up, and then on this outer battery, you want to have the pointy, the plus side of the battery up. And then clip that closed, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. It actually comes on automatically. I'm going to show you a couple things. So it automatically comes on and it's ready to take the temperature. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you go from like a hot area to a cold area, you have to let the thermometer acclimatize for 30 minutes and adjust to the temperature. But anyway, so we have this light button here. So right now it's taking the temperature. See, the screen is off, the screen is on with the light. So, and then you can have it take the temperature of a surface of something, not a body or a body. You can put it in either way. So if we're gonna put it in body mode, we're gonna hold it to the forehead, just like about 3/4 of an inch away. Pull the trigger, and then when it makes that long beep, it is done taking the temperature. And then it's gonna memorize it. See, it's memory number 7, and we can actually toggle through, and it will show you the history of the temperatures that it has taken. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.